One of the questions I often get asked is how long should a tutoring session be? And the question or the answer to that is normally that's entirely at your discretion because I could sit here and say, well, weekly for an hour, but it could be that that's beyond your budget, or it could be that your child needs more support or less support than that. And the other thing is, when you're working with people, we're all individuals. So some people may find that to concentrate for an hour is just far too much, in which case we need to kind of adjust the timings accordingly. So I'd suggest 45 minutes. However, there's also some children when it gets close to exams, and I don't recommend this very often, but if you're, say, doing maths and English with them, it could be that you do an hour and a half, but have a short break in between just to kind of like um, re regenerate the brain, if that's the right way to phrase it. So, how long should a lesson be? Some families say go for weekly, some families go for a couple of times a week, some families go fortnightly, some families go monthly. It's completely at your discretion, whatever works best for you. And the timing that I'm working with one little girl who just does half an hour each week. Um, I don't have any hour and a half people at the minute. They're generally closer to exams, but half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, what works for you? Because our philosophy is that the child and the family should be what we work with and not a fixed idea. So if we were to dictate that it was an hour a week, then I think that'd be hypocritical. So that's the answer to how long lessons with us are, and that's the reason why. Have a good week and take care. Speak to you soon.